Hey, how are you doing? I trust you're fine. We are here on the delivery trail. We are in capital city Kingston. It is a beautiful afternoon. There is a beautiful link somewhere here below. Click on that link or look in the description box. You see a link. Click on the link to get some beautiful shipping. We are the company that allows you to purchase your items online, any website, anywhere in the world. Get it shipped to your mailbox in Florida, then we ship that item from the US to Jamaica and get it delivered to your doorstep here in Jamaica. Alright, so as I said, hello, how you doing, ma'am?
I'm great.
She's great. I'm very good. I'm coming with a package, alright? She have her hand out. I'm going to give her a package. Give me 1 second or so come. As I was saying, I don't remember what I was saying, but anyways, there's a link here. Click on the link, join us today, get some shipping, get some free coupon. We give away free coupons, guys. You get to ship with us 4 times per year. You get to ship for free. So I want you to click on the link. I want you to join us today. Where are you? Where are you? Come here. I want you to click on the link. I want you to join us today. We want to get you as a customer. We want to serve you. We want to ship your items and deliver it to your house in your comfortable house. Alright? So go ahead, click on the link, join us today. Kingston, love you. Big up.